Hi friends, you're watching Fast Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to add WordPress site to Google Webmaster tool that's been added to Google search engine indexing. Now first and all, type Google Search Console slash, open the second number option. Now here, now go to the site which one you want to add. Here I am adding my site URL, which is www.hackintosh.com. Now paste here and continue. Now here the second option, HTML tag. Now click on copy and copy the code. Now open your WordPress dashboard, which is I already opened, and open the SEO Yoast SEO section, clicking on SEO. Now here click on Webmaster tool and paste in front of Google Webmaster tool. Now save the changes. After successfully saving the changes, go back to the site where we copied and click on verify. Now you have added successfully your site to this Google Search Console, or you can also say Google Webmaster tool. I am showing you how to index a particular post manually. Copy the post URL and paste into the search bar or inspect URL section, and hit enter button. This is retrieving data from Google and saying this site is not indexed. Now click on request indexing. It will request to index this particular post on Google search engine, and it may take some time, few hours. Now also you can check here your site statics. Thank you for watching.